Namaste everyone. I am Chandra Kant Kumar Choudhary, an alumnus of NIT Rourkela, one of India's premier engineering institutes. I am currently working as a software developer at Mercedes-Benz India, where I am involved in cutting-edge projects that blend innovation with technology. It is a pleasure to welcome you to this comprehensive session on basic Python programming, brought to you by the School of Skill Development. Today, we are embarking on an exciting and enriching journey into the world of Python programming. Python has gained immense popularity for its readability and simplicity, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned developers. Its versatility is unmatched, with applications ranging from web development to data analysis and artificial intelligence. We will start with an introduction and overview. Python is an open-source, high-level programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Over the years, Python has grown to become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability and simplicity, making it a great choice for beginners. Next, we will delve into Python's history and applications. Understanding the history of Python gives us insights into its evolution and why it is designed the way it is. Python's applications are vast and varied. It is used in web development, with frameworks like Django and Flask, data science and analytics, with libraries like Pandas and NumPy, artificial intelligence and machine learning, with libraries like TensorFlow and Scikit-learn, and many other fields. After covering the historical and application aspects, we will move on to basic syntax and short programs. This section will introduce you to the basic syntax of Python. We will cover topics like how to write a Python script, indentation, comments, and the use of basic operators. We will also write some short programs to illustrate these concepts in action. Following that, we will explore Python basics and data types. This includes understanding variables, different data types, such as integers, floats, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries, and how to manipulate these data types. We will look at various operations you can perform on these data types and how they are used in real-world programming. Finally, we will have a Q&A and doubt session. This will be your opportunity to ask any questions you may have about the material covered. Whether you need clarification on a specific topic or want to delve deeper into a concept, this session is designed to address your doubts and ensure you have a clear understanding of the basics of Python programming. By the end of this session, you will have a solid foundation in basic Python programming concepts. Whether you aim to automate tasks, analyze data, or build web applications, Python's versatility and simplicity will pave the way for your success. We will also provide resources and suggestions for further learning so that you can continue to build on the knowledge gained here. So, let us dive in and explore the wonders of Python together. I encourage you to actively participate, try out the examples, and ask questions whenever you need clarification. Let's make this learning experience interactive and enjoyable. Welcome once again, and let's get started.